Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this right-hand drive special head unit for Toyota Hilux. Hilux 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, let me show the harness it first. Okay, it is special harness for Toyota Hilux. You can check this canvas box. Okay, let me connect this connector, this canvas box. Okay, connected. Okay, let me show. This connector connects to our back of head unit, and let me check. You can check there have two connectors. This camera input, this camera in. Okay, this is for camera adapter for backup camera. Okay, and this connector also camera in for camera adapter. You can check connector for original backup camera, and this is different for backup camera. And this for radio antenna. This radio antenna. And this power speaker and the steering wheel controls. You can check this power and this speaker, this steering wheel controls. Okay, it's plug and play. This K1 and K2 for steering wheel control and the GND wire is for steering wheel control, and this AMP for 12 voltage for amplifier power. Okay, and this for AUX input left and right for this connector. It comes with GPS antenna, and you can check this GPS connect. This original USB. Okay, and it comes with two USB cable and external microphone. This connects to back, and camera input for aftermarket and the original. You need to connect this camera input and AUX input left and right. This is video input. RC type. This is audio cable and subwoofer. This rear and front output, left and right, front and rear, RC type. Okay. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, you can check this. Let me check the back. Okay, you can check this for connect USB audio, camera in, and the other connection. This radio, this Wi-Fi antenna, this fuse, and this power, this GPS antenna. Okay, let me check the front. This front panel, and then let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit start. And please take out this screw protector before using. It's very big harness. The head unit is very big. Head unit 10.1 inch RPS touchscreen. It's right hand drive. Okay, this UI interface. Let me show. It's built-in microphone. It's microphone and the reset of these buttons. Volume. Home button, Bluetooth, and the back button. This date and time. This music app, and all apps are here. You can check built-in Bluetooth and Google Maps, and the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can watch video or YouTube video. Okay, settings. It's built in Wi-Fi and support 4G. Back button. Okay. Check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay. About motion, you can check the it's RAM 4 GB. It's RAM 4 GB and PX5 Android 10 system. Android 10 system. Okay, let me back the home, and it's also built in this is Android and Apple CarPlay link. It's built in Google Map and DSP. It's built in DSP amplifier. You can check sound field. EQ. Can adjust balance. Okay, that's all. Thank you.